In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can add AliExpress reviews to your Shopify store. Now, this is very easy and quick. You just want to follow these simple steps and you will be able, guys, to add Shopify reviews to your Shopify store. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to go to your Shopify first, and then next, you want to click on apps. Okay, you just want to download these apps so that it will help us add AliExpress reviews to the products. Now, you just want to click on apps, and then in the top, you want to search for this app. It's called Ali Reviews. Okay, this is how you type the name. It's called Ali Reviews. Click enter. It will take you directly to Shopify store. Now, what you need to do, guys, next, you want to download this app. Okay, as you can see, this is the app. It's called Ali Reviews app. Okay, click on it. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on add app. As you can see, now it will take you to this page. What you want to do, guys, next, you want to click on install app in the top right. You just want to give it a few seconds. Now it will give you guys two different options to select from. One is premium and the second one is basic. So it depends on your choice, but I always go with the free plan. As you can see, it says free. It says here 30 reviews import per product, 5 product limit for import. Customers can post reviews. Now the premium one, you can see here, it's not that important. Now you can just go with the free one, click on sign up for free, and then click this X. I am going to explain to you guys every single thing right now. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on manage reviews in the top. And then you can see here all the products that you have on your Shopify store. Now you just want to select which product that you want to add AliExpress reviews to. I'm going to select this laptop. As you can see, I'm going to click on import reviews. Now, after I click, guys, on import reviews, you just want to paste here the URL of the AliExpress product. Now, what you need to do, guys, next, you want to go to AliExpress and search for the product that you want to get the reviews from. Now, for example, I want to get the reviews of this product to my Shopify product. Now, copy the URL in the top, click Ctrl C or copy it manually. Now, after you click, guys, on copy, you want to go back to the Shopify and then paste here, click Ctrl V or click paste manually. And then after you paste the link here, what you need to do, guys, next, you want to click where it says number of reviews. You want to select only like 4, okay? And country of this reviews, it doesn't matter. Here where it says all stars, you want to select 4 stars, okay? Because there is no product in the world that has 5 stars, so you don't make it natural. Now, after that, you want to click on import. By the way, you can also add reviews with pictures. If you select here, should have images. Now, for now, I don't want that. I'm just going to click import. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click reload in the top left, reload the page. Okay, just want to reload it and go back to the same product, go back to the same thing, click on manage reviews in the top. Now, the product we have added 4. Now, what we want to do, guys, next, you want to click again on import reviews, and then this is the link of the product. Paste the link again here, and then select, for example, 5 reviews. This time I'm going to select 5 stars, so it will have 4 stars of 4 reviews of 4 stars and 5 reviews of 5 stars, so that customers will not say that this is fake or anything like that. Then click import, and then you want to do the same steps again, but select only 3 reviews and add like 2 feedbacks of 3 reviews. Okay, don't do 2 reviews. I'm going to do that right now in front of you guys. Now, if you appreciate this video, please drop a like I said, again, click manage reviews, and then I'm going to do that again. We should reload manage reviews. So it seems that it's not allowing me because I have reached the limit. So for you, it will say again import reviews. Copy the link, and then what you want to do, guys, next, you want to select the number of reviews, for example 3, and then all stars, select 3 star, and then click import. And I hope, guys, this video is valuable to you. If you need any help or if you have a problem or anything, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like, that will be highly appreciated. See you guys next.